Hello cyclists, I just made a discovery today and I think it's quite exciting to share with. This element is called cerium. Cerium is actually a group of those metals that is separated from the conventional this table. It's actually one of those group that is very costly to refine from Earth, I think. It's called cerium. And I was looking for a very I was looking for this so-called magnesium fire starter because the size of them are too small. I'm looking for the best example, which is right here. This guy is holding this. This is huge, isn't it? So basically, this is the giant size of a so-called magnesium fire starter, and it's made in China because here we goes a Chinese website, and they sell the size of a 20 mil times 120, 12 centimeters, and that's the exact diameter. You can search online, maybe on eBay, and I found this that company that actually sell this, and it proves that the material cerium in Chinese here, this is Chinese saying those group of material is actually the group that one of those group that is very costly to refine out of dirt. In Chinese, it's called. Actually, I found the Google Translate is wrong. And to between English and Chinese. So let's go Cerium. Let's translate it in Chinese. Simplified, it goes to this word which is called shi. Cerium. Shi. If we go traditional Chinese, it goes like the same. But when you search the word Ferrocerium, which is the search word for the fire starter, this thing is actually called Ferrocerium. It's nothing to do with magnesium. This is not magnesium. This is essentially a iron bar and put a little bit flammable cerium metal in it. Cerium is a very ductile, soft metal, and this is nothing related to magnesium bar. And when you search ferrocerium, it goes this lower tier, which means chromium iron, which is nothing to do with the rare earth metal. This means chromium. You search this word lower in Chinese and you translate into English. It goes with chromium, but that's not ferrocerium means. Ferrocerium is iron with cerium. Has nothing to do with chromium iron. Chromium iron is a type of steel. And so I was looking for those giant size of so-called magnesium bar, and this is the biggest I found so far. Maybe you can have some customized length, but I think 20 mils for me is thick enough. You can ask those Chinese companies. This one is Suzhou companies to make customized thickness and length ferrocerium bar. And I've also learned that magnesium combustion temperature is 3100 Celsius. Please focus, camera. Thank you. You're not gonna scratch an iron bar to create that temperature. It's just you're not gonna scratch your magnesium bar to create that temperature in order to make sparks. I was actually buying a pure magnesium bar, and I use my steel blade to scratch it. It doesn't work. It simply doesn't work. You're not gonna create sparks by scratching magnesium bar, pure magnesium bar. So the reason it is called magnesium fire starter is because when you're scratching magnesium, let's go metal. When you scratch magnesium into fine powder, it will spark. After an initial spark, it will burn. Magnesium is flammable, but it requires far higher temperature in order to make it flammable, to make it burn. So in another word, you're not gonna scratch magnesium to create a spark. Impossible. Magnesium fire starter. When you search magnesium fire starter, you get this one of this. This green part is magnesium, and the black little tiny rod is ferrocerium. It's a piece of ferrocerium glued to this magnesium. So the way you use this is you scratch the magnesium onto the material you want to burn, and then you start a fire. Use this ferrocerium. That's how it works. And this tiny little black is ferrocerium. It's not magnesium. It's nothing to do with magnesium. And I found this very interesting because when you search magnesium fire starter, this comes out. You see, magnesium fire starter, and this comes out. At the first place, no, you see, another one. This is misinformation. Thanks for watching. The camera just won't focus.